Welcome back. It's the Higher Table Podcast. Wakadona duka niswana ni mwana ndo mahungoni. Yo, batuko rotora. Hey, Makhadzi Jesu togomere. Make sure that you sanitize, you wear your mask, you respect whatever rules the waho, rules and regulations regarding this COVID and everything. But yo, makungwasi hayo. Guys, I checked the music video Ghanama for Makhadzi. Damn, guys. I know it's not what I expected when it comes to the storyline. That's the only thing I'm not happy about on the storyline, because I was expecting to see, the Ghanama, the heartbreak and all that. But because of the COVID issue, can't really go and say, hey, we're gonna have people gonna shoot there and there, trying to make this to be like this. No, we can't do that. It can't be done the way and got Dangayo. But they came through with a dope, higher quality, like beautiful music video. Yeah, they were not really Ghanama, but yeah, man, the video is dope. I really like the video, and I'm hoping you guys gonna check out the music video. I'm gonna drop a link on the description so you guys can go and watch the video, and you can also comment and tell us what you think about the music video. It's some nice, dope music video. Wow, shit, forget about the storyline. Let's just focus on the video. COVID can affect a lot of things. So some of the waiting for the Pulangayo production or storyline, you end up not able to do it because of situation in Rabakai. But beside that, that's hell of a dope music video. Ghanama featuring Prince Benza. It's out on YouTube. It's already reached 200,000 views. So go and add the numbers. Come on, make it hit 1 million. Like I said, check out this video, man. Ghanama, damn it, it's dope. It's out there.